I'm working on a new project, and I just added a ACS 712 current sensor. The output is a mess. The sensor measures up to 5 amps, but the noise is in the range of 100 milliamps, making it pretty much useless. I immediately thought, maybe I can salvage this with a digital low-pass filter. Let's see if it works. In my last video on low-pass filtering, I showed you how to design a filter in Python and then implement it on the Arduino. I'll start by applying that method here to filter my current sensor readings. Afterwards, I'll show you a new and improved version of the code. Here are the difference equations for a first-order low-pass filter. Here's my code to read from the ACS 712. I simply read the voltage and rescale it to current based on the sensor specs. This gives a raw sensor reading. In my difference equations, that's xn. I need to store the history of the raw and filtered signals, so I'm adding variables xn-1 and yn-1. Now all I have to do to filter the signal is use the difference equation. The result, the updated value of the filtered signal, yn. There's one last step. Store the previous values of the raw and filtered signals. And that's it. This sturdy signal is starting to look much cleaner. But of course, I started to wonder, could tweaking the filter further improve the current readings? In my last implementation, I had to derive the coefficients in Python and then copy and paste them into the Arduino code. Too much work, right? So here's what I did. I created a brand new, but still super simple, digital low-pass filter that allows you to adjust the cutoff frequency and automatically computes the coefficients inside the Arduino code. No Python required. I'm calling it Arduino Digital Low-Pass Filter 2.0. Here's how you can use it. Copy the low-pass class to the top of your Arduino code. Then, create one instance of the class for each signal you want to filter. 4 parameters are required by the constructor. First, define the filter order as the template parameter. I've only implemented a first-order filter and a second-order Butterworth, so the choice is easy, 1 or 2. Second, set the cutoff frequency in Hertz. Third, set the sampling frequency. This is an issue because we don't usually know the sampling frequency on an Arduino, largely because it changes depending on the code that is running in the loop function. I'll guess 1 kHz, but I know it's wrong. This is why I added the 4th parameter, a Boolean flag. When true, this flag causes the sampling frequency to be computed from the duration of the consecutive steps of the loop function. Now, to apply the filter, just call the filt method with the raw signal as the input. The output will be the filtered signal. Here's the first-order result. Increasing the order to 2 improves the result, but adds more delay. For this signal, I'm liking the second-order filter with a 4 Hz cutoff. If you have dirty signals too, you can find my code to clean them up, linked in the comments below.